Hey guys, it's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon, coming again with this beautiful model who didn't mind helping us out with this video today. She is so beautiful. She didn't mind. She wanted to help women like her with overcoming their alopecia. So here you see me using my lace glue along with the Skin Protect. The Skin Protect is good to block out sweat and oil and to protect the skin as well. So I'm going in with these tracks, starting in the back with the black glue. And you guys know how I feel about my black glue. You know, I just like black glue because it sticks quicker than the white glue. But eventually I noticed that the glue was seeping through a little bit more than I wanted it to. So at a certain point you're gonna see me switch up and use the white glue instead. So I know a lot of y'all are asking why didn't I use the cap. I didn't use the cap because normally if I do a cap on someone who has hair loss, the glue don't stick to the head. It doesn't last. So we're doing the lace glue, which allows the glue to mesh and hold so much better than the cap would. So this is our quicker and long-lasting way to secure the hair, because you want your hair to last when you go to the hair salon. You don't just want to come and have the hair come up the next day or in a day or two. So that's the reason we end up using the lace glue and being able to glue it right on top of her scalp. So I figured some of the comments might get a little crazy, but you guys, we tried different methods and this is the only way that it lasts that long. The glue is not going to seep through your head and go through your skin and mess up your brain. None of that craziness. It's going to do exactly what we needed to do, and you're going to look good and feel better about your hair because you're going to feel secure that the hair is attached to your head. So here I'm using the closure that came out of the pack. I'm going to cut the perimeter of it and I'm going to glue it down and also glue the spot that I'm going to glue it in and press it down and blow dry it. So now that that's complete, we can go ahead and comb all the hair together and section that hair off to get ready to cut it. So here I'm just going to go around the perimeter of her head and razor that hair just a little bit. We're going to do one side at a time, and we're going to really take our time, even though it's sped up, guys. You can see on some of my previous videos how slow I really go in real time. So again, you want to just make sure you take your time with this part. I like to lift the hair up off the head, so I'm not going in taking so much hair off at one time, because I like to be strategic when I do use my razor. And the biggest thing is just to make sure that you're leaving enough hair so the tracks won't be exposed up under the cut hair. So once that is complete, we're going to go ahead and go to the forehead area and the sideburn area, and we want to make sure that we are doing that to make it look natural and to keep that the integrity of that side. So as you can see, I'm evening out those sides, but I'm leaving a little length in the middle area so to have like a mohawk look, sort of. And then I'm going to go around the perimeter equally. And then once I finish that, we can start on the top. And I'm just going to leave the top with some length on there. And you see how well the colors blend. So now I'm just going to go in and fine tune this cut. Seeing the little hairs that's around the ears, just giving it more of detail. So normally I would use my Nairobi foam to set the hair, but with this white hair it always leaves like a green cast. So I'm using the Mazzani foam, and I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that that area is sectioned off and kind of define that side portion of it, as well as the back portion of it. Once that is complete, she's going to sit in a dryer, and when she's done, we can go ahead and curl it. And you see what direction I'm going in with the curls, and I'm taking them up because I want a little height in that top portion of her hair, and just give it like a nice little bump. So now that we have the top portion complete, We're going to go in the sides, and we're going to just do a slight bump on those sides area just to give it a little texture, not to just have it flat. And here we're just doing the same thing on the opposite side. So once this is complete, I'm going to go in and use this dry hair spray and just give it some, just a little hold, a light hold in different areas. I didn't want anything to be too uniform, but just trying to do a little finger play with it. So guys, I have a lot of women that reach out to me with alopecia, and I know it's one of those things that a lot of people dread, just trying to figure out the solution for their hair. But I know for a fact that there's so many solutions out here, guys. We just gotta try it, and don't be so afraid. Now, I know it's easy for me to say, being that I don't deal with it personally, but I have a lot of people that I really love that does, and I kind of understand what they feel during those times. So I try to make it as easy as possible and try to figure out different solutions that would help bring back that confidence, that joy, that peace. Just feeling free and wearing your hair. So you guys, you got to step out of your comfort zone and try these different options that we have, because God has given us so many options now, you know, from the wigs to the quick weaves to the sew-ins to anything. You know, you just have to get out there and really try it and find that thing that really works for you. So I encourage every woman that's dealing with alopecia, we have solutions, so don't be afraid to take advantage of it, okay? And I hear so many people say it makes them feel so much better after they end up getting their hair styled or having things done to their hair, you know, they was afraid of even trying to do. You know, it just gives you that relief, that peace, that feeling of security. So now that this part is done, we're going to go ahead and do her makeup. And as you can see, she's ready to go out, guys. And she loved the hair. She loved the makeup. It just made her feel wonderful. She kept saying that she was so grateful for this opportunity. And, you know, I just get joy out of seeing somebody's countenance change because they're that new look that they have. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always remember, Jesus loves you.